L- LEDs are everywhere and have been for some time. That letter and light invented by Nike Honlik in 1962 found its way into entertainment, light, digital watch and calculator. But head to White Unity 1993 for three champions, Japan's recently and Amuro and Saju Nakamura to make the crystal and create the blue light needed to make bright white LED white LED light possible. The Royal Swede Academy for Science rejoiced their achievement in 2014 with the Nobel Prize in Physics and side with the advent of LED lamps we now have more long lasting and more efficient to order light. So as they want and to say light bulbs light the 20 country the 21 country will be led by LED lamps. Honicolite. Lighting is an Australian specialist LED lighting manufacturer making an adhesive that supplies to electrical wholesaler Australia wide. Only sodium overlight who now compete wide the difference is of LED and they are only useful street light application that depend on serious light output output and excellent cooler temperature.